Yeah, in inkjet printers, there will be some containers. These are called ink tanks. Here we'll pour the ink directly, and from here, as you can see in this figure, if you consider these as ink tanks, from these different colors will be passed through different wires, and it will accept the wire here, and it is being sprayed on the paper. Okay, so it will be sprayed on the here also the print head, this is called print head. This is not directly touching the paper, so this also one of the example for non-impact printer. Here also it is not touching, as we used laser. Here laser was not touching the paper directly. Using a mirror, it reflects its laser from here to onto the drum, and that will be printed on the paper directly. It's not touching the paper. So that also an example for non-impact. And the same case in inkjet, the ink tanks, from the ink tanks the ink will be taken, and it is being sprayed on the paper here and there. Okay, depending on the print command whatever we have given. So this is the example for inkjet printer. uh, Laser printer is the fastest one. The count of laser printer is taken using pages per minute, because as it prints so fast, we can count its speed as pages per minute. Per minute how many pages it will give you the print. Okay, but in case of inkjet printer, there is little bit slow compared to laser printer. So the speed of the inkjet printer is measured using lines per minute. How many lines it will print in a minute. As it is slow than laser printer, the speed of the inkjet printer is counted using lines per minute. How many lines of text or how many lines it is being printed per minute. Here pages per minute. Okay, here lines per minute. Yeah. Next type of printer is dot matrix printer. You might have seen this in the train tickets. If you take train tickets, not digital train tickets, if you go to railway station and if you buy the tickets, you will get a ticket like this, and the characters on the ticket will be written in this way, right? This is one of the example of um, impact printer. Here you can see how it prints. This is a print head. The ink will be there inside this, and these needles will be inserted through these holes, and with ink it will touch the paper. Okay, these print heads will touch the paper directly and it will print using these needles. Okay, so only the characters will be like this as dots, as the print head is like this. Got it? And it is an example for uh, impact printer, and it is the speed of this printer is counted in the in sense of characters per second. How many letters? Characters are nothing but letters. How many? As it is slow than inkjet. Inkjet is slower than laser printer, but dot matrix is still slow. You might have seen while they are taking the print of your train tickets, right? Next time if you go to railway station, observe that. So the speed of dot matrix printer is counted using characters per minute per second. How many characters it will print per second, not minute, second. Okay, CPS. CPS stands for character per second, and in inkjet printer speed is counted using LPM. LPM stands for lines per minute, and laser printer speed is counted in terms of ppm. ppm stands for pages per minute. So these are different types of printers. Laser printer and inkjet printers are examples for non-impact printers, and dot matrix is the example for impact printers. Okay, which is the fastest printer? Fastest printer is laser printer. Okay, In our computer lab, you might have seen two printers. One is the leftmost printer kept near that window. That is called that is laser printer. Okay, Canon one. That looks like this, right? You might have seen this printer in our lab. This is the example for laser printer, and this we kept at the center of teacher's table. This is example for inkjet printer. Okay. Next we'll move to next output device. It is a speaker. Speakers, you might have seen, once you give some your input through mic or microphones, or you play some songs in your computer, that the output from the speakers is sound. Okay, only sound is the output of speaker. Here it doesn't take input because it's not an input device, it's an output device that gives out the sound as input. Okay, so next output device is data projector. Projector you have seen in our school, right? For smart boards, and even in the computer lab you have kept, there will be a light coming from the uh, projector. Whatever you show using your computer, that will be displayed using the projector. Projector will take the input from input devices like mouse or keyboard from the computer, and it displays the output onto on some of the object. It can be your smart board, right? So that is projector. And next is smart board. As I told you before, in the input device, the complete smart board is not an input device. Only the touch screen, the screen used to smart board, becomes the input device. But the smart board is an output device because it just acts like your monitor, right? You can see in our computer lab, wherever the teacher sits, whatever we work in the computer, that will be displayed on the big screen on the board, right? So that board is the output device, but the screen used on it is an input device where it accepts your touch as input. But the complete board is output device that is showing or displaying whatever you want to see. Okay, so smart board is also an output device, but the touch screen is input device. Okay, so till here we have seen the different types of output devices. uh, how many output devices we saw? We saw 5 output devices: monitor, printer, speaker, data projector, smart board. So this is monitor and printer. We had mainly two types of printers, non-impact and impact. Under non-impact we have laser printer, where we use laser to print, and inkjet printer, where the sprays of ink is being sprayed onto the paper. This is also an example for non-impact. And for impact printer we had dot matrix, where the characters will be printed using these print heads, using these needles. Directly it hits onto the paper, so only we call it as impact printer. And it is dot matrix, it is slow, and the speed of dot matrix is counted using CPS, it is character per second. And the speed of inkjet is LPM, lines per minute. And the speed of a laser printer is PPM, it is pages per minute. Next next output device was speakers. Next is data projector and smart board. Okay, that's all. So today we have learned different types of how the computer works. They have given this example. Read this properly. And next we saw different input devices and output devices. Okay.